boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Thank you very, very much. Give me 30 seconds with those ads, my friends, and all will be well. You'll help a small channel like ours. We're growing. I got a lot of loyal people. Thank you very, very much. Thank you for weighing in on yesterday's show, my friends. We're not a political show, so we try and keep that to a minimum. Yes, I'd like to visit a lot of you, but hey, let's keep that to a minimum when it comes to what's going on in all of our different countries. What's going on in, rather than a bit of you take care of there first and this that. We don't want to get into all that. We discuss marijuana investments. We discuss marijuana stocks. That's what we do. We do technical. We do physical analysis where we go out. We do fundamental analysis. Today, we're going to take a look at two companies, my friends, that we've known about for a very, very long time. Why? Because we read Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks over a year ago. And a lot of these stocks have not blown up yet. I have 40 of them in there. Some of them will. In fact, the stock we're going to talk about today, I use as a case study, and I tell you to go to this website and I make it easy and a simple strategy for you in this book here. But you guys know this is for education and entertainment purposes only. Like I said, I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I write books. I'm an author. I do deep research. My books can be found on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook, my friends. Books like Marijuana Today, Vanadium and Uranium Tomorrow. It's a mini book where I have some gold stocks listed in the back, and people seem to like those. There are marijuana stocks in there also. A lot of stocks in there, my friends. Vanadium and uranium stocks in there. The African Marijuana Gold Mine, Rich Mental Soul meets Wall Street. This is where you first heard about Charlotte's Web, my friends. You heard about Charlotte's Web and crossbreeding because you read this book a long time ago, before Charlotte's Web was even a company, my friends. Yes, I'm blowing it up. I'm putting it out there like it should be put out there, because there's a lot of stuff going on over in Africa. Ask Bruce Linton. He'll tell you what time it is. Ask some of these other companies. Aurora, they'll tell you what's up. Ask Supreme Cannabis. They'll tell you what's up. Because, see, my friends, they can test. They can do things over there that we can't necessarily do in the West, and they've been testing. They've been for hundreds of years and stuff, my friends. Come on now, we're just legalizing this stuff, and they've been using it for medicine and everything else for hundreds of years, and we think that we know more. Get over it. Promising Medical Marijuana and CBD Treatments is out there, my friends. This book's got a lot of good information in there on what's going on with CBDs right now. As you know, lots going on right now with the CBDs, and we're going to talk about it here in a second. Investing in medical and recreational cannabis, buying before, during, or after legalization, and the largest indoor and outdoor marijuana farms in the world, my friends. What's going on right now? Italy. What's going on over in Israel? What's going on over in Latin America, my friends? What's going on right now? There's a lot going on all over this world, my friends. Thank you again for joining me. Thank you for going through the commercial. You have a commercial here in a couple seconds. Just give me 30 in a couple minutes. Just give me 30 seconds. That's all I'm asking you. Just 30 seconds, because we're a small station. We're growing. Thank you very, very much for all you new people coming on board. Look at some of the older videos, and you'll get up to speed as to what companies we're following and what's going on. Today, though, I want to talk to you about the earnings. I spoke on it a little bit yesterday. Gave you some dates and stuff. We have some earnings coming up here. This morning, Aurora had some positive news out there about some forward guidance there. That's good stuff. That kind of got people hopping and stuff. Look at them. Then later on today, GW Pharma. After hours, GW Pharma announced they were up big. They're up big. They're probably up big. If you see this tonight, or if you see this in the morning, they'll probably be up pre-market, up maybe as much as 12% or so. They closed at $170.25, which was up $17.83 after hours today. So they're really doing it. What they did is they announced GW Pharma reports financial results and operational progress for the second quarter ending June 30th, 2019. What happened, my friends, is their Epidiolex, their cannabinoid drug, In quarter two, net sales were 68.4 million, 68, almost 68.5 million. In first quarter, they were 33.5 million. So they just about doubled that. I mean, they have doubled it. They are kicking butt. Let me read you a little bit. GW Pharmaceuticals, NASDAQ, GWPH, the world leader in science, development, and commercialization of cannabinoid prescription medicines, announces financial results for the second quarter ending June 30th. Okay, they're pleased to report strong second quarter sales of Epidiolex. I told you about that. Reflecting high demand by U.S. patients, increased prescription by healthcare providers. All that stuff is going on. They got it going on. Over 12,000 patients have received this Epidiolex prescriptions since its launch. 2,500 physicians have generated, dispensed. It goes on. It goes on. Approximately 93% of all commercial Medicaid and Medicare lives in the U.S. have coverage, and it's just, my friends, over 800 patients registered across 5 major EU countries. So you're looking at quarter four. You're going to be looking at some launches in France, Germany, the UK, Spain, Italy. All this stuff is coming on board. That's not even in these earnings right now. This is going to be coming on board, my friends. They've got new formulations of CBDs coming out. They've got it. This company is on. It's rolling. It's rolling, and that's all I can tell you about this. GW Pharma is rolling, my friends. They have $583 million in the bank. In the bank right now, cash money. You want a loan? I mean, they got money to implement whatever they want. All the studies and stuff they want. They have the dough. So, my friends, this is a company to put on your watch list. You and your financial manager, you and your financial whoever, you guys get together, and this is definitely a company that you want to, one of the companies that you want to roll with. Now, my friends, when we talked about it, was about roughly around $40 or so at one point in time we were talking. It's up to, like I said, 170. It's gone over 200. It'll be 250. It'll be a $300 stock here. As soon as we roll it. It's big. It's big because they have a drug out there that's doing the job, my friends. That's GW Pharma. Set it and forget it. Remember, I told you that. I'm not going to show you any graphs or anything. I'm not going to show you any charts. Set it and forget it, my friends. The next stock I want to tell you about is our most decorated baby knockout. Now, this stock we've been following ever since it was a quarter, under a quarter. Now, our baby knockouts are generally under a quarter. Our billion-dollar brands are under 50 cents. Like Aurora at 38 cents, billion-dollar brand. CV Sciences at under a quarter was a baby knockout. Now, I had a question today. Said, you still, like this baby knockout? You like that baby knockout? My friends, I cannot control what management does with some of these companies. All we can do is get on them and talk to them and try and ride them a little bit. But that's really, really all we can do when it comes to management of these companies. Because I'm going to tell you, some of these managers are not the best managers in the world. Some of these guys are, they had the money and their grandpa or whatever, family members or something involved. So they're not really great managers. He asked me about a company, right? And he says, do you still like this company? Well, I did like the company. Initially, the company did a big deal. They bought a company, and then they put their hands like this. Like, look at us. Look at what we did. We did a big deal. And they think they're supposed to rest on that. My friends, you have to keep going and getting it. So one thing I learned from Aurora when I was talking to Cam a few years ago. Cam was a go-getter, man. After he left Aurora, this guy was on the move. He said, Mickey D, we got the money. We're going to do it, man. We're going to do it. The stock was in 30 cents, 38 cents, under 50 cents, Somebody telling you they're going to really do something? No. These baby knockouts, right? You have to stick with them. Put them on your watch list and look at them. And we keep them honest and make sure they're doing what they're doing. Well, this particular company, at the time I liked them, they had a great stock structure. They had 38, 40 million shares outstanding. And now they have over 500 they have almost 600 million shares outstanding. How have they been paying one another? With shares. Because they haven't, the share price has gone down. It's gone from what, 20 cents to 10 cents or 8 cents or something. And the shares have magnified. So when they blow a company up like that, heck no, I don't like it anymore. Sure, there's a video out there of, you got to look at those companies though. Because once management blows a company up and they leave it basically to die as a shell, there's nothing else we can do with that company. That's not the case with this company. I'll tell you about CV Sciences. They report second quarter 2019 financial results. Now, CV Sciences, their CBD hemp area, they are one of the first companies that we really noticed that was really on the ball when it came. This is well before Charlotte's Web even hit the scene. This was 2 years before you might even thought about Charlotte's Web. Charlotte's Web is the big dog right now. They're doing it right now. Yesterday, what I tell you, they were overbought, and today it looks like they came back to life a little bit. But that's our dog in this race, my friends, and they're going to win this. Let's talk about CV Sciences though. CV Sciences, they reported today. They reported record earnings, my friends. CV Sciences second quarter earnings. Record revenue, $16.9 million for the second quarter of 2019, an increase of 36% over the same quarter in 2018. 14th, did you hear that? 14th consecutive quarters of sequential revenue growth. Gross margin improved slightly, 70.9 from 70.8 in the first quarter. Retail distribution increased 4,591 stores as of June 30th. An increase of 39% from this time last year. Their retail presence with their Plus CBD oil brand is out there, man. That's the big winner for them. So they've got it going on there. Generated $2.7 million in cash from operation. You can read about it, my friends. They announced plans. This is a big thing too. They announced planned 500% increase in production capacity with addition of a new 45,500 square foot facility. And they've initiated domestic sourcing efforts, committed to more than 500 acres of U.S. hemp production to support future sales. Now, I listened to the conference call. As you know, most of these I'll listen to the conference call, see what's going on, get the other part of it. The CEO talked about their NASDAQ application. Now, one of the things they've done is they had a class action lawsuit against them that's been dismissed. So that's a big thing, my friend. When a company I believe that's a big thing that's going to get them, I think it's going to get them their NASDAQ approval. Now, I said this before, and I'm saying it again. That was a cloud on the company. So is the old CEO. There were some clouds on CV Sciences. Those clouds have been removed. So I believe the NASDAQ board, the people, those individuals can see through what's going on right now with this company. This company's on the up and up. This is a positive company. This is a company we spotted early at under 25 cents, and we knew that the CBD industry would have a chance one day. So, my friends, that's what we do on The Scoop. And with that, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We're a small, we're going to keep it that way, my friends. But you're very, very knowledgeable. You guys know what's going on. You put stuff in there. You with the questions and all. Love you. Take care of yourself. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Have a great day.